Breaking news. Hey, that's enough. Hello, this is breaking news. 100.75 FM. I am Chucky Shabby, reporting from Breaking News radio station. Here is the latest story yesterday. Monster invade Assumption College. 2,998 people died. Here is the sound that we were able to record from the situation.
เฮ้ยเฮียอะไรวะมอนสเตอร์นะやめてくれ
Okay, let's talk with Professor Dexter, an expert in biology about unusual living things. Hello, Professor Dexter.
Hello Mr. Chucky
What do you think about the monster invasion yesterday?
I think those monsters were starving because they don't have anything to eat.
Wow, hungry monster? Where did those monsters came from, Professor?
According to my research, the monsters were people who had contracted a virus, then they become very hungry and turn into the monsters.
Oh my god, that's terrible.
Besides, the virus can't be prevented, and people who receive it will turn into the monster within 24 hours.
Thank you, Professor Dexter. Now we are going to talk to only two students of Assumption College who has survived from yesterday, Mr. Freddie Foley and Mr. Jason Juices. Hello, how are you?
Hello, Mr. Chucky.
How could you survive from the monster?
We pretend that we had died, so the monster didn't eat us.
That's awesome! When did the monster invade yesterday?
About 10 a.m. yesterday, so just almost 24 hours ago.
24 hours?
Oh,
wow! No!
Sorry, there is a problem with the system. Thank you for listening 100.25 FM.